Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FLKS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while, including just simply the final 30 minutes of the day represented by that volume bar right there. The volume really came pouring in during that final 30 minutes. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the 83-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 83, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation area, which sits at 65 cents. So 82, 83, and then 65, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying up above the 83-cent mark would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, just right up there where the party stopped today at about $1.05. So $1.05 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, resistance levels matter, but they don't, because as long as the price continues to build higher lows, go through healthy consolidations, then everything else will take care of itself. So by no means does the price have to break above $1.05 or anything like that. In my opinion, top priority by far right now is all about going through healthy consolidations and building those higher bases. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.